Yeah.
I'm gonna start down here.
Okay.
This is the power source to your trailer.
Okay.
Right now, here, I'll open this door. Right now it is in the off position.
Okay.
This is in the on position. Okay. If this is in the off position or the on position, when you are plugged in to your 7-way to your vehicle, it'll automatically charge your battery in the front.
Oh.
So if you exit your car for an extended amount of time, we always recommend that you unplug your 7-way,
Right.
or you'll come back to a dead battery in your car.
Right. Okay. Gotcha.
This is your crank
Right.
for your stabilizers. And in here, you have 2 black boxes. The black box to your left is just for your lights, for your, like your lights and stuff.
Okay.
Oh.
Is there a fuse box in that one on the left there, or is that just like a junction box for the wires?
Just like a junction box. Yeah, your fuse panel's in the back.
It's in the back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. There it is. Okay. All right. And then, okay. And then we
Right here, you just have some storage as well.
All right. That's good.
All right. Okay, this is your bathroom.
Right.
Above your toilet, there is a vent. There is a black button. You're gonna push the black button and you're just gonna pull up. Or push up, not pull up. Push up, and it's gonna open it. Okay? Then there's a little fan. You can hit the other button and it'll turn the fan on. And then when you wanna shut it, you're just gonna pull it down.
Gotcha.
Okay? Never travel with that open. Always make sure it's shut.
Yeah.
Your toilet to the left-hand side, there is a foot pedal. You're going to lift the foot pedal up to bring water into the stool. You are going to push it down to flush it. That is your black tank right there in your bathroom.
It is right there.
Yep.
Okay.
So if you're looking above by your light, there is a switch.
Right.
And that switch is for your when you're showering.
Right.
Because it is not a gravity fed system. So the water is going to build up and you're going to hit that drain switch and it's going to pump your water to your gray tank.
Okay, so that's got to be on. Right, okay.
Yep,
yeah.
you want to start showering first to get some water in there because you don't want to turn it on dry.
It's dry.
Yep.
Okay. We heat the water ahead of time before you shower. Is that what you do?
Yep, that would be with your water tank.
Water tank. Okay. All right.
Your your water heater. I don't want to say hot water heater because it's not hot, so use your water heater.
Water heater.
And that is probably, the switches are probably going to be right over there.
Okay.
Which I can show you. Your switch is right here if you want to look at it. So if you switch it, it's going to turn here. If you want a video. Did the light come on? Okay. So there's a red light. Okay. You're going to flip that on.
All right.
Okay. It's going to try to light 3 times. So when you're going to flip it on, the light's going to come on. That's an indicator to you that it's trying to light. If the light goes off and stays off, that means it's lit.
Oh, I see.
That's how you light it.
I see. Okay.
So if it comes back on, that means the propane hasn't worked itself there yet.
Okay.
And it'll try doing it again. If it tries doing it 3 times and doesn't work, turn it off, turn it back on.
Okay.
I always suggest to turn your propane on when you get to where you're going.
Right.
Okay? Because it needs to take a minute to get to the other side of your trailer because you will have air in your lines.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right. So this is what we do. Maybe do this a few minutes before using the shower.
Yep.
Or the hot water.
Yep. And what I suggest is to turn the hot water on in your sink.
Okay.
To bring the water to the tank and then flip it on.
I see. Okay. So turn the valve on, turn the hot water on the sink on, then flip it on. If it lights, the light should go out.
Yep. And if it stays out, that means it's lit. If it comes back on, it's like an indicator like, hey, I'm not lit.
Gotcha.
So when it's off, it means it's lit.
Right. Okay. All right. Good to know. All right, and here's the fridge.
This is the fridge.
Okay.
You're gonna push down right here.
Okay.
As soon as you shut it, it automatically will lock.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Wow, nice. Look at that. Oh.
So, this is shore power.
Okay. Good.
This is propane.
Okay.
And this is your 12-volt battery.
I see.
We always recommend getting your refrigerator cold on shore power.
Right.
That's the easiest way.
Right.
Your battery is a maintainer only. It will never get your refrigerator cold.
Okay.
Your propane will get it cold, but it'll take a lot of propane, so we always recommend getting it cold.
Right.
Turning it on to the battery when you're traveling, and then when you get to where you're going, then you can turn it on to propane. You can never travel with your propane on.
Right, yeah, definitely.
Any questions?
So right now it's not cold.
Nope,
It's
it's not
cold.
cold.
Okay. All right. So is the temperature? Can it be adjusted, or is it pretty much just on or off? Oh, over there, right there. Okay. Yeah,
Yep.
there it is. Okay. Very cool. Okay.
This is not a remote, but I'm going to take it off the wall to show you. If you never have power right here, you have 2 AAA batteries. The reason why I'm telling you is because I thought these were hardwired in, and I had a whole bunch of people down here trying to help me why I had no power to this. And there's 2 batteries. But otherwise it looks like it's hardwired in.
Right.
So this is your furnace. Your furnace is right there. So when you want to turn it on, your furnace is propane.
Got it.
And I've already lit your stove, so I know that it's working. So you're going to turn it on just like that. You're going to give it a second, and you're going to hear a click, 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 click.
Awesome.
There's your clicking.
Okay.
And since it took a little while, it might take two times just for the propane. Yeah. It's going to do it again.
I hear a click.
It lit.
It did.
You can also see your pilot light. You can tell normally if it's a longer clicking, that means it's sucking air. So now it's lit, now it'll start blowing. And then when you want to shut it off, all you have to do is turn it off. Turn it on, it lights.
That's it.
Yeah. And then turn it off.
Gosh, that's...
What year did you guys rent?
I think it was a 2017.
Yeah.
That's what he said it
right?
was, but it might have been older. Yeah. It might have been, yeah. But yeah, at least I don't. Is this is this a?
This is your fire extinguisher.
Oh, that's a fire extinguisher. Okay.
Yep.
Right.
So then when you want to use it, hopefully you never have to.
Right.
Yeah.
You just pull it out like that.
Right, I like that.
Oh.
Here's your backup camera, which I'm gonna set out.
Oh yeah. Backup camera.
And so here's your 15 amp adapter.
Got it.
These are all your manuals. All your manuals to everything that's in your trailer. And everything goes, every single thing has its own manual. This is for your water heater. Remember how I said your plug's out right here?
Right.
This is, it kind of gives you step by step. This shaft is going to go in there and then you're going to twist it.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah. Because it's winterized right now, and it has antifreeze in there
Okay.
Yeah.
right now.
And it is RV antifreeze.
That's RV.
Yep.
So, what's that again? I'm sorry.
That's for your water heater.
Water heater.
Yeah,
Do you
so
know how to use
yeah,
it?
Well, right now the water heater is got antifreeze in it.
Okay.
So
There's actually nothing in your water heater.
there's
right
nothing
now.
in the water
Yep,
heater.
because the plug's
because
out.
the plug's out. Because if there was something in there and the plug was out, it would drain out. Right? Okay. All right. So it's empty right now, but there's antifreeze in the
Lines.
in the.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, you got to drain that out, and then looks like I need a 1 1/16 wrench for this right here. Okay, yeah, I think, and this is a.
That's just your holder for your remote.
For the remote. Oh, and the remote's for the
fan.
The fan. Yeah.
With that being said, I'll show you how to run your remote. You're going to hit it once to wake up the remote, hit it twice to turn it on. Right now, it's saying 100% air blowing out. Your vent, your lid is open, your fan is on. Your temperature in your trailer is 71 degrees. The set temperature is 78 degrees. Okay? So now if you want air coming in your trailer, you're going to hit the 2 arrow buttons chasing each other. It's going to stop. Now it's going to blow air into your trailer. Okay? At 100%. You don't want that much air. You can decrease it or you can increase it. Right now, your hood vent is open. This does not have a rain sensor on it, so if it starts raining, it will not close. So you're going to hit this button right here. And now it's a ceiling fan. Now it'll just blow the air around that's in the inside of your trailer. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So you have an auto button. If you hit that auto button, you're going to see the green light that comes on right there.
Yeah.
And your set temperature is right here. You can increase it or decrease it when you have the auto on. With that being said, when your trailer reaches 78 degrees at what it's set at, that'll automatically open up. So always make sure it's off when you're traveling and when you're away from your trailer.
Okay.
And then you can shut it off by simply hitting the auto button or the power button, and it'll shut off.
Great. Wow. Okay, nice.